If you want something, I can do it after that. No, we did the euro and do the pound yen, I'm sorry. So let's look at the pound yen. And as you can see from last week, our buying point was the 122.85, which you remember we were using it, and it closed the week at 124.80. That's brilliant. We had about 200 pips on that move. Wow, interesting. That is your 122.85. It actually really moved very nicely to the upside. Let's look at the this, and you look at the sessions. All of the sessions are lining up pretty nicely. So we will take it above the high, which is 124.92. That's our buying point. We want it to continue because this, on the daily chart, this is a very big range that took place on Thursday, right? So on Friday, we needed to apply the big range day rule. And as a result, this is what we have. You see this little red candle? What that would mean is if Thursday was a big range day, and if it was a head fake, or if it was a false move, then Friday this thing should have capitulated. Having an inside day like this, which goes nowhere on Friday, does not capitulate, does not go into the opposite direction of the big range day, that is actually a positive sign and would indicate continuation to the upside. So we will buy it above the 124. $92. I'll find the structure long point in a minute. On the short side, my structure long point was the 122.85. Now I'm going to transpose it. It's going to become my structural short point. What was a long point on the upside, now it becomes a short structural point on the downside. And my stop on the long position, wow, has to be here. So that would be 124.50. So my stop is going to be 124.50, and I can't take it any short unless it breaks below the 122, the 124.50. So this is going to be my short also, but I can't take it short unless it breaks the structure and come down here. So my short is going to be the 124.40. And the 124.40 is over here. I'm gonna use, I mean, it's inside the range, so I'm gonna use the other side, which is 124.76, which is the market side. 78. And let's pick the structure long point and structure short. We have the structure short point, the 122. The next structure long point is the 125.47. Okay, so the pound yen, we're going to buy it above 124.92. I have a structure long point after that at 125.47. and my stop is going to be the 124.50. I'm risking about 40 pips. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 124.40. I have a structural short point, which is the 122.85, and I'm going to use the 124.78 as my stop. Okay, that is the pound yen, and with that we can call it a day.